How to send snap as a normal snap without filter. So if this video helped, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you updated in this channel. So let us go to our Snapchat app, and then what we would do is to take a snap or go to our gallery camera roll in the left side. So go to your camera roll and choose a picture that you want to send. So right now I would like to send this as a snap filter without filter. So go to the arrow and go to the scissors icon and click on draw. So you have to draw all of it. You have to draw all of the snap or all parts of the snap. Make sure there are no parts that are not drawn, so this would work. After that, you should, well, you can send it like this one. If you want to click on, just click on next. But what they would do is click on back and save as copy. So how do we send it as a snap to our or to someone that we are talking to? So what we would do right now is go back to the home page of Snapchat, where we can see it right here, and then just click on a snap or picture. After that, click on the stickers icon, and then go to the scissors button or icon, and you can see here that we made a sticker of the image earlier. So just resize it according to your liking. So that's how you send a snap as a normal snap in Snapchat. Thank you for watching.